Hallo Leute, this herzlich willkommen. So all of you are aware that this is our full Goethe A1 writing course. And from this series, this is our today's video is part 2. Okay. Earlier we have seen intro and part 1. So in this video, we are going to see how to start and end an email, formal as well as informal. So I'd rather say that this part is most important in email writing, starting and ending an email, because okay, main content is main body of the email is equally important, but this has marks. Okay, greetings, salutations, closing. So be prepared with this, understand this, how to start and end an email. So without wasting any time, we'll just start with the video. I will share one screen with you. So you will get to know. Yeah. Now here, uh, in today's video, we'll see how to start and end an email, formal as well as informal. Okay, both the types we'll see. So what are the informal greetings? Hello, Anna. Lieber Maria, lieber Thomas. Okay. So usually for female person, you have to write lieber, L-I-E-B. And male person, it will be lieber, just adding R at the end. It means dear, but in German, it is different for male as well as female person. Now we'll come to formal greetings. Now you have to start with sehr geehrte Frau Müller. Again, this is different for female and male. Geehrte for lady, Frau Müller. And you have to write here Frau Müller. You can see the difference. If you are writing formally, Mrs. Müller, you have to write, correct? Then sehr geehrte Herr Schmidt. Again, R you have to add at the end here for Mr. male person. Just a quick reminder, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel because I am coming up with exam related videos, full Goethe A1 series, all the modules. So stay tuned. Now we'll come to opening sentences. So how to start actually, how to start the email. Ich schreibe dir. This is informal way. While. Okay, while is because. Now you have to write the reason. You have to mention the reason why you are writing to that person. Ich schreibe dir, why? What is the reason? And for formally, ich schreibe Ihnen. Okay, it will be Ihnen for formal way, wegen. And your reason will come there. Now, email endings we'll see. Greetings are very, very important, and so email endings also. So here, viele Grüße, you can end with viele Grüße, liebe Grüße for informal, mit freundlichen Grüßen, with friendly regards. Okay, so this is very, very important. These type of endings, and always write your name at the end. Don't ever forget, okay, to write your name. After maybe Viele Grüße, your name, Liebe Grüße, your name, and mit freundlichen Grüßen, your name. Okay, so don't forget this. If you do like this format, if you start with these greetings and end with this thing closing, so I'm sure you will get full marks in this format. Okay, is this clear? So I hope you understood this. So see you in next video. Next video will be very, very important and interesting. So stay tuned. Thank you, friends, and bye-bye.